Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for being here and watching. So for today's video, we're opening up a new subscription, and I am so curious about this because this box literally costs $1 a month and you can get your first month free. But anyways, the name of the subscription is Cheap Sunglasses, and it is indeed very cheap. It is available on Cratejoy. I was just browsing their website, and it really is just $1. They have a plan for both men and women, and each month you get a pair of sunglasses delivered to you that's supposed to have a retail value between $10 and $15. It does ship worldwide from the US. In the US you do get free shipping, but if you live worldwide, shipping costs will vary, so you'll have to check out the website. I'm gonna leave that down below. And like I said, you can get your first month free. When I was looking at the Cratejoy site, it said just use code FREE for first free month, including free shipping. So I'll leave all that information down below. I'm so curious what these are gonna look like. Like $1? That's crazy. And this was sent to me free for review. I mean, you guys can get your first one free too. Before we get started, I just want to remind you we do have some giveaways going on, at least at the time I'm filming this. When you're watching it, there should be at least one active one, maybe two. More coming, but those are linked down below. So the box came like this, just a small white box. And yeah, let's get it open and see what these cheap sunglasses look like. As I was opening it, something fell off. Oh, it says, oh, it has like some quotes on it. It says, "Friendship is one mind and two bodies. Mencius." And then the only thing you take when you're gone, or the only thing you take with you when you're gone is what you leave behind. John Alston. So I guess you get some motivational quotes and stuff each month too. But this is what it looks like when you open it up. So it's just the sunglasses wrapped up in some bubble wrap. Let's see. Oh, and they even give you a case. I didn't expect that for $1. And the case says Fashion Collection. It's made in New York and it says 100% microfiber. So you can probably use this to clean your glasses as well. And then here are the glasses. They're in a bag. It looks like there's some aviators. And it says it's by GG Eyewear. It has a UV protection. It says maximum protection. So here is what they look like. Sorry, it's reflective. Maybe if I hold it there, I'll try them on in a second. But on the back, it is purple. So that's kind of cool. But yeah, these are just some aviators. They don't seem like terribly cheap or anything, you know. Let's see, what else does it say on here? Oh, it just gives you some information about like sun exposure and stuff like that. It says it blocks 100% UVA and UVB, meets whatever guidelines, okay. Let me get this little tag off and then I'll try it on. All right, here we go. I still have the sticker on, but yeah. Look at the ring light. You can maybe even see yourself in there through the camera. For $1, these aren't bad. Again, I want it. Okay, now you can kind of see them without the ring light if I go low. I honestly am impressed. For $1, I was expecting to get something like super cheap. You know how they hand out like cheap sunglasses at like events or something? I don't know. I don't have a good example, but I remember in college I used to always like somehow get them. This is not bad. So you got a pair of aviators for free because your first month is free, but if it was your second month, third month, whatever, this would be $1. And you even get a little case to carry it in. I'm like shocked by this. How could they afford this subscription service? Free shipping in the US, only $1? They must like get them in like bulk or something. I don't know, but hey, if you have $1 to spare and like to try new sunglasses or you lose them often, this is a subscription box for you. Again, I'm gonna leave all of the information down below, along with my giveaways, all my social media, all the good stuff, what's on my face. It's always in the description box. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing these cheap sunglasses from Cheap Sunglasses Box with me. I hope you're having a good one. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.